business V card or a poster or a banner or a video or a reel or anything. So please understand what is the objective. Okay, so when I say please design, some people started designing the CV. Some people started designing the poster with the picture, other things. My objective, I want to understand you. If you want to project your abilities in marketing in one page, how will you do? Okay, so please, all of you, again, you can go through the profile. Okay, so I will come back to you again. So, okay, please check whether it is relevant for you. So, if possible, please, all of you open that file.
What proof?
Yes, you have a lot of social media.
Yes, sir.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
What for the social media? Yes, you should post it in somewhere else. No, you should put in a blog or in LinkedIn somewhere else, right?
Yes, sir. But so then these are my.
That these things are very good things to be posted in your profile.
Sir?
Don't you feel that what you're mentioning here is very important?
I think the objective was to show what you possess, what skills you possess. That's why I mentioned it.
That's fine. That's fine. You are saying personal strength. I'm reading many things. Player. Yes. It's a very good word. Sorry, team player. Sorry, team player. Written together. Self-motivated, leadership, analytical thinking. I just want to understand you by browsing through something about your social media. If I have time, I can check your social media, all the things. Nearly 4 to 6 you posted. None of the media showing this, your self-motivated, leadership, analytical thinking. Did you posted any video with related to analytical thinking? Maybe creative thinking, you can use the Samvad video might posted in somewhere else. You can show that. Whatever you are doing an activity, you should have a proof, friends, dear friends, please have it. If somebody asks, please wait, I will share. Please give your LinkedIn, I will add. Please check. Like that, you should be very strong. But you are saying analytical thinking.
Yes.
What's the proof?
As of now, I have no proof.
Yes, fine, fantastic. Internship and project. HR trainee intern at Lamral Solution for a period of 2 months. Finance project worked at Coffee Boat for India for 1 month. Which month? 1947? 2050? Which month?
The last year.
So I have to guess. I given a 1 page, but it is not very clear. And again, I am asking you to prepare a CV to market you for marketing, right? HR trainee, finance project. It shows that you are confused state.
It also shows
that
I
am not asking you whatever you did in your life. You did LKG, pre-KG, 10th standard, 12th. I am not asking for that. I am looking for a marketing career. Please market you in 1 page. Please advertise you in 1 page. I have no time to read, right? Yes, dear friends, I am not serious. So you have to understand your CV is also an advertisement. You won't be going through every part. But if you found something good, there should be some proof. Academic credential, currently pursuing. Okay, I don't want any MBA. In MBA, what you are doing? Related to advertising management, related to marketing. Nothing in that. From the first trimester onwards, we are conducting lot of activity. You are doing wonderful things. Nothing is here. Nothing is here. If you give me a pen, I can write 100 things about Pooja Chand from my observation in marketing management and GRE. I remember. But you won't remember. During MBA, you just put pursuing MBA. I'm not looking for that. Yes? Fine. So this is just an example. Let me go for another person who posted earlier. So all of you please parallelly check. A resume of who posted first. It may be Angela Jason, right? Angela today absent? Yes, if somebody is absent, they have to inform me, right?
Yes, sir, she's absent.
Yes. If somebody is missing the classroom, please inform me. Sometimes I plan some activity for a particular individual. If somebody is missing, please let them inform. So next to Angela, I have Anisha. So let it be Anisha will be the last person to discuss about the CV posted. Yes. The CV shows complete black, green, So the many template colorful, it is very colorful. And first thing I am able to, so please all of you check the WhatsApp. Please all of you check the WhatsApp because you are a creative managers. So I am giving, okay, that is the first sentence. And content writing 2017, corporate 2019 to 20. What it mean?
So in 2017, I'd done an internship for a gaming company. So
Okay.
that was content writing.
Okay, fine. So you put content writing, you put SEO. So can you please give a brief how you are expertised in SEO and in content writing?
So basically, we had a project for 3 months. So we had to drive or increase the traffic for the company's website. So we had to make like attractive SEO titles or like keywords we had to use to increase the blogs and the videos what they are posting on their websites on Google.
Fantastic, Anisha. Please give me some keywords for Anisha. I want to promote Anisha as a marketing expert. Please give me some of the keywords.
Self-reliant, independent,
Okay.
fast learner,
Okay.
then approachable, responsible.
Okay.
Yeah.
These are things to be added in CV. If you are going to connect with the social media people, the world, I mean, this is a general word, right? What is your uniqueness? What is your uniqueness?
So if you give me any task, even though I don't know it, I'll make sure that I learn it and do it.
Okay.
So
So where it is mentioned, give me any task, I am ready to do anything. Where it is mentioned, communication, content writing, public speaking, digital marketing, expertise, public speaking, expertise, digital marketing, expertise. So can you please tell me what are the things you know in digital marketing?
So I already did a course from Udemy. So
You
I
please
was,
remember that you mentioned as a word called expertise, not a pursuing, not a learning.
yeah.
Can you please list down some keywords or some of the topics in digital marketing?
So basically in this digital marketing, I know how to create a website.
Okay. Using which
So
platform?
so there's this platform called Wix.com.
Yes, yes.
So I know how to do a website on that. They trained us on the online platform, and yeah, they trained us on different. So Facebook,
I'm
Facebook.
not asking they trained. I'm asking about what you know. Please don't tell about your previous organization. Yes.
So I have a YouTube channel, but then I'm not so active on it. So
My question is, what are the things you know in digital marketing? Please answer to the question. Because your highlight is expertise. Last word is digital marketing.
yeah. So I know Facebook marketing, YouTube marketing. So currently I'm doing actually an internship for digital marketing with iFortis Corporate. So my first task was I had to increase their sales for an event. So I'm currently working on that. So I've posted the pictures on LinkedIn as well. You can check it on that.
Okay, good. Good. Thank you. So let me discuss later. So this is a sample, friends. Whenever you are doing something, whenever you are posting something, it should have some objective. But please don't check my social media. It won't have any objectives. Please don't ask about my status. Please don't ask about my FB. Please don't ask about my things because I have different objectives. I have different audience to be getting connected. The video. So please all of you listen. Archit.
Start.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. I'm a vibrant and proactive individual who is good in marketing skills and who is proficient in marketing approaches to captivate the target audience.
Okay, thank you. Kishore.
I'm in creative and focused towards work willing to do beyond my ability towards the companies, so that the organization can achieve their goals. I will be a part in the achievement of the goals.
Okay, Thomas. Thomas Carrier.
So I am like a high-end laptop. I can do multitasking in many activities at a go, and I can evolve up to the date according to the need.
Thank you. Pooja.
I'm a very self-motivated and a team player, and I can use my abilities to do best for the organization.
Mohammed.
I'm a MBA student specialized in the field of marketing. I am robust, enthusiastic, and people-oriented.
Jacob.
So I believe I'm ambitious and hardworking, and I got a broad skills and experience in digital media promotion and social media promotions.
Mithun.
Thank you.
My main strength is in content creation. The proof of which I can show is that I have made contents for all the Samvad activity which was done in the college for my team. So you can trust me with the content creation.
So Mithun, please don't use this word. This shows that we are doubting you. The earlier content is different. Okay, now you have to say, okay, don't say, sir, please check, sir, please verify. Don't say like that. Okay, fine. Yes, Anisha.
So I'm a very goal-oriented person. I love to learn new things. So whatever I'm learning and working for the company, I'll make sure I'll give my best. And yeah, I'm a fast learner. Whatever you teach me, I will make sure I do my best.
Alan.
Yes, I'm a very flexible person. I can, interact with any kind of people. So I can flex my working time, and I can finish my work without even sleeping or do my work overtime.
Okay, so all your content you have to rework. You should not say like this. Okay, you can be a flexible, but you cannot work for 24 hours. Please specify. Okay, Alan. So we should be very smart in saying that. Yes, Melvin.
Hi everyone, my name is Melvin Thomas, and here's why you should hire me, because I'm a marketing enthusiast. I have an eye for creative things, and I have prior experience of working in the field of marketing. That's all about me. Thanks.
Yamini.
I'm Yamini. So I make use of my interpersonal skills to achieve goals of a company that focuses on customer satisfaction and customer experience. And I'm ambitious towards my work, and I'm self-motivated about me and my work.
Andrews.
Yeah, good morning. So I'm a really reliable person and self-motivated and dedicated team player. And with my skills I have, I look forward to increase the profit of the organization.
Nandan.
I'm adaptive and self-motivated, and I like to improvise my skills and learning and adapt to whichever field I work for.
Hari.
I'm self-motivated and goal-oriented person and a team player as well. I have various interests in marketing, and which will be helpful for the organization as well. And I can.
Jojo.
Sir, I am good in teamwork, and I will do my level best in all work where I am assigned.
Girish.
Sir, I love challenges, and I can fully use my skills for the success of the organization.
Deepak.
I'm a person who wants to learn more, and I'm not saying I'm the best, but I can promise you I'll give my best.
Fine. Yes, Mary will be in a mute. Okay. Friends, you have a one-page CV. Okay. You are having a 2 to 3 lines tagline. You know how good you are. Now take the paper and pen. Okay, so you have to use the size of a visiting card. You have to use the size of the visiting card. So you can draw a circle or a rectangle. Okay, that is your space. Okay, so everybody know that. So for example, this is the mobile, means only the 75% will be your space. This is size. Okay. Please brand you. That's it. You can take 60 seconds. And when I say take a photo and send, you have to send in a WhatsApp. Please don't try it. So we will comment after the class. Okay. In the WhatsApp group, we will connect. And all please apprise each other. Okay. Here the 19 students are there, means 19 creative head. We have to apprise each other. I'm just only a facilitator. Later we will see. If the chance is given for one page, how we are doing. If we are given with a 1 minute, how we are presenting. If we are given with only few lines, how we are doing. If you are giving a small space, how we are doing. Okay. The same way the company, how you are going to design it. Irrespective, it's a print advertisement, if it's a video advertisement, the video advertisement may be for only 5 seconds, how you are going to design it. It may be having a 1-page story, but how you are going to connect it. Okay, so this is a brainstorming activity. Later we will learn about it. Okay, fine. Yes, for next 15 minutes, okay, all of you can switch off your video. So we have to listen about some marketing concepts with respect to the advertisement. So anyway, in the LMS, everything is shared. Okay, the content is shared. You can go through it. So now for a few minutes, we'll be discussing about our content for the class is about history and objectives of advertisement. So it will go like this. So for 15 minutes, so please, you can stay calm. Then I will come back to you. Now I will not be interacting with you. Okay, so later I will come back to you. Yes. So kindly confirm the thing is visible to you. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, yes. Is it visible? Yes. Yes. You can just check this. Please read fast. Okay, so as a advertising person, you have to choose any one. Okay, which you will choose. Just have in mind. Okay, so this we have to brainstorm. So this slide shows when you want to advertise, when you want to market, there's a two-way we are having. So continuously putting the same content, repeated number of frequency we can do. Okay, so that even the customer want to escape from your advertising, they can't. The exposure number of times if you are repeatedly saying I am good, I am good, I am good, it will be positioned. That is one strategy. Another one is you are doing a very rare thing. You are doing a very rare thing, but it is a very quality. It adds values to me. Maybe within a month, only one time or two times I will be posting some advertisement, maybe a print or video, whatever it may be, but it is giving so much of value. That advertisement also, some type of people will listen and they will wait for your ad. So you have to design which type of ad I'm going to design, whether it can be a blasting with the number of time of frequency, number of different types, or can I prepare only one ad which will position that you have to design. So this is the poem we have to listen. Later you will see that is okay. So it is a useless to be a creative original thinker unless you can also sell what you create. So we always use the word called creative, I am creative, I am creative. How your creativeness help me to sell my product, or how your creativeness will create us the money. If it is not giving any value addition to you, value addition to me, it is called as a hobby. It is only for your time pass. And later part of time, maybe after 1 or 2 years, even you are posting something in your status, if you are posting something in FB about you, I'm not having any time to listen to you. Say very good, unless it is giving value addition to me. So creativity is only useful when it gives meaning to somebody else. Okay, so you can choose whether we can give more ideas or we can give a selective ideas. Okay. First step, the general thing in the ancient time, in the Egypt itself, there is a starting of the advertisements. Okay, they actually used slaves to promote them. Okay, so they act as ambassadors, not as a accepted ambassador, but they act as a representative. Okay, so they used the slaves to promote their product. And Greeks used the street colors. Okay, even you go to some cities like a Turkey, you can see even there is a lot of advertisement discount is available. In the road, some representative will stand and they will invite you. Even you can go to the textile or hotel road. So this is also one type of advertising them. And in the Rome, it's the first time the tourist ad evolves. A traveler, if you go from here to the 12th tower, the senators have a tavern. With this, we invite you to come and buy. So this is written in one stone. So very long years back, this is considered to be one of the ad which attracts the travelers to go to that particular place. Okay, and if you go to the Rome, you can able to find out these pictures. These all pictures are advertising about their traditions. And here you can see they are promoting their gladiators, they are fighting. And it is shown as a theater representation. Okay, so this is also advertisement so that we are able to understand them. Here you can see a place where a goat milk store and bakery can be identified with a mule. So you can, if you go to these places, you can understand this still says about what happened very earlier. Okay, how they got the milk out of it. Okay, still it is acting as an advertisement. Advertisement is not only about a video or a poster. These are all the symbolic things. Still advertising about the places and what happened in the history. Okay. Then we comes to the Middle Age and the rising of the printing. So earlier we have a no paper, no ink. We have to use only stones or other statues. Then the printing press came. Okay, Johannes Gutenberg was born in 1395. He experimented printing. Okay, after that, slowly the print advertisement evolved. The newspaper, asked like you, they added some word, some catchy picture. Okay, it slowly came. Then there's a printing press, movable types. Okay, so it can be shifted, so we can use as a machine. Then slowly the modern age. In the modern age, it adds with the painting. Okay, we're able to see the realistic or 2D or 3D view from the picture that advertise with the emotions. You can see the picture. It not only give the detail about the places, it gives some theme or pictorial, it connected to emotion. So they use that print itself for advertising something, some news, etc. And then Benjamin Franklin, he's not only printed the paper, but also contributed pieces under aliases. Okay, he is also successful during the colonial period, how the advertisement can be used in promoting their concepts. Okay, this is one of the example for advertising. Even you are writing in a print advertising, see how many different types of font. This was made very, very, very earlier. It's in 1804. 1804. So please check your exam paper. Please check what you are writing, whether you are differentiating like this, capitalized, bold, different fonts. So in the print itself, they added some differentiation. So here you can say 18's advertisement in a newspaper, how they connected it. Okay, within the small place, they're able to say the heading, they are able to add a picture, they are able to give some lines. In this, something is capitalized and bolded, and below who written that and what date it was. So within a small place, they're able to give a lot of information using a lot of ways. It happened in 80s itself. Then it comes jog-cart. Okay, this is one of the advertisement. They shows that this is used for jogging. Okay, see what are things they are doing. Highlighted, it's a price low. Okay, they are explaining about the future. They are giving the picture. These are the not modern advertisements. It's a very old advertisements. Okay, and this is the other thing. And we comes to the golden age. That little bit, the price of the paper is reduced and we are increasing it. And later we come for paid advertisements. Okay, so earlier if I want to advertise, I will prepare for a newspaper or something else on my own. Later, I am able to find out some media people to promote it. Okay. Then there's a history of about the first in advertising agency, 1941. Okay, he received at that time itself, 1941 itself, he received 25% of commission for selling space in the newspaper. Okay, so he acted as a consultant also in the 1941 itself. So here you can see the another type of advertising in UK. No one should paste posters over another till the glue was fresh. So here they assigned or allotted one wall. In this, you will be given some space. Within this, you can put a poster. So for a specific. So if you go to the road, you can able to see the boards, signage. For that, we have to pay to the government or an agency for a certain period of time. They will keep it. For the cinemas, we will be seeing the posters. We assume that these are the modern age. No, these all happened very, very, very long ago itself. We are just tuning it. We have to understand it. And after that, the Industrial Revolution came. After the Industrial Revolution, we have a lot of machines, lot of technologies. So it's grow. Okay, so this is one of the very, very, very reached picture. It's during the World War I advertisement poster. Okay, I want you for US Army. Okay, this side, the Soviet communist propaganda. So they want to promote their concepts, patriotism, and inviting the people for fight. Okay, this is the way they use the advertisement, not for selling the product. Actually, they want to sell their concepts and the belief. Okay, and you can see in 1943, they actually want to sell promote. There's a corporation, America Paperboard Packaging. See, the 1943 itself, they are able to show their strength, their brand pictorially. And Adolf Hitler used the swastika's logo. So the brand, the logo is important. So see, in this logo, lot of his ideals, belief are inbuilt. So if possible, you just to browse about this, you can learn. So even in a small picture, we are able to communicate many things. So Hitler is a person who used the logo very clearly to advertise about him. Then later, we are moving to the radio. Okay, so it's a voice, it is came, and 90% radio are commercial broadcasting. So at the time, they came only for commercial broadcasting. Okay, then it comes copywriting lessons we can learn from 1932 itself. Okay, there are things are listed. And John Capels, he said, accept nothing as true about what works best in advertising until it has been scientifically tested. So he says that advertising is just a message, we have to test it. So these are the controversies started coming, whether the advertisement is a true or whether they are giving a proper information or just want to convince or negotiate the people. And here's the 1920, the radio broadcast again came. And the another thing in the 1960, you can see some calendar. So using the calendar, so they are finding out all possible ways we can advertise. So we need a calendar. Okay, in this calendar, how we can promote. This is a concept also allowed. This is an example for it. Okay, so you can advertise everywhere in every place. While we are speaking about social media, yes, it is effective media now, but some places no network is there. There is no mobile, no laptop, but still you can advertise. This is an example. So how he merchandise the product. Even he is not there by seeing the shoes, how it is kept, how the product is kept. We can understand this is a place where we can repair our shoes. This is also the place to advertise. And see the very old advertising. It's a product which avoids thumb sucking. Okay, how creatively they made. And there are some commercials given in the link for you. Now we are coming to the 2021 advertising. Now we are speaking about everything doing within our laptop and mobile itself. Okay, we are not going out, we are not putting some effort, but we are able to reach many audiences. Okay, so the evolution starts like this. Okay. 1441 starts with the age of print, then industrial revolution, then scientific thing added, and we gone for rise of agencies to do this. So so it starts from World War and slowly moving to the consumer. So at the time the marketing concepts evolve and we focus on the creativity. And after 1990, whatever we are spending in advertising, what is the return, we started evaluating. So here we can say about a pre-industrial, so we can classify as a pre-industrial age. And what has happened in the Europe in 1800 with respect to the advertising and printing and mass communication. And in the industrial age, how the premium products came, luxury products came, manufactured related products are promoted. Because in the industrial age, there is a lot of companies started and lot of products are coming. But how to promote it? So there is a need for advertising evolve. And the post-industrial age, we come to the social responsibility. We are having a product and we are having a customer, which we should be very careful. Our lifestyle of the people is very important. The culture is very important. Their life is very important. So in the advertisement, some ethical components also added. And in the world market also, it started increasing. For example, we can say it is predicted globally, there will be an increase in 5.8% in ad spending overall. But we are saying about a COVID, no companies are opening, it is not, we are not going to buy, we are not having money, but still say advertising is one of the area, there is a 6% growth we are going to record in 2021 globally. And we come to the Asia Pacific, which contributes about 60% of world population. It is also growing approximately by 5.9%. And digital forecast is going to increase by 9.1%. That means that our advertising through digital media is very important. So then what is about our India? We are a comparatively economically growing country, developing country. How we can spend? But the answer is very different. We are expected to grow by 20% in terms of advertising industry. That means that in India, we're having a lot of scope for advertising and the field is growing. Okay, so to consolidate, we can have an Indian advertising personal selling era that the people have to speak directly. Then they say the product quality is very important. Then in the marketing, they say how we are going to sell it. The selling concept, selling pitch is important. Then they said, no, customer need is important. We have to understand the customer. Then they said the positioning, how we are creating ad interestingly, how we are putting a logo, how we are putting a jargon, how we are putting a music jingles. Now we are saying whatever the advertising, whatever the marketing, whatever the promotion, how much the value, the information is added to the audience. If the advertisement is not adding any value to you, next time you have the option to skip it, block it, and you can say no to the advertisement. So we have to understand in our advertising creation, even if it is small or big, even if it is whatever media it is, we should add some value to the customers. Okay, so yes. So this is the thing we are going to discuss maybe in the next class. Okay, so if you want to understand how a lion hunts, don't go to the zoo, go to the jungle. Okay, so it says that we have to select the target audience. We have to play with the audience mind. Okay, so we have to really understand the people, not work with our mobile or applications. Okay. So what is the objective of the advertisement? It may be for immediate sales, or it may be for matching the demand. It may be for a price dealing. It may be for a branding, creating awareness. It want to maintain the reputation, reliability, or it want to increase the market share. These may be the few objectives of advertisement, and it gives a support to the economic growth. It will give other media support. Through the advertisement, we can reduce the distribution cost. If you're able to promote a product properly, the customer will come to your home or come to your company will take, so we will reduce the distribution cost. And our business life cycle, we can maintain our business in a growth stage or a maturity stage for a longer period of time. And we will create a utility. The product is giving us some benefit by if you're adding many values through the advertisement, they will feel the benefit. And advertising, we can become a monopoly, we can differentiate from the competitor, and we can make the customer to accept our product, and we can concentrate on a particular market, and we can play with the price and profitability. So if you advertise properly, the customers will not be bothered about the price, and we can get a more profit. That is an advantage. So the roles of advertising, it have the 4 main roles. Okay, marketing role. Okay, so anyway, we want to sell the product, promote the product, get the profit. Another one is communication role. In each and every advertisement, we have to say. So please remember, whenever you are creating ad, what is the role in marketing? That is a marketing objective. Communication, what I am going to communicate, how I am going to communicate, what is the media I can choose. Based on that only your content should be there. Then we are coming to the economic role. By giving this advertisement, what will be change in standard of living? That's the economical role. It's important. And how I am going to influence my society. That's a societal role. These are 4 major roles we'll be discussing. Okay. The other things you can see. So classification, while we want to classify the different types of advertising, maybe in the next class we'll be discussing. Okay. We can classify based on the target audience. Okay. Before designing an ad, who is my target audience? Whether he is a consumer or a business person or an intermediary or a government, who is it? I have to think who is my target audience. Then sit working on your ad. Then think whether I want to focus this ad globally or nationally or regionally or locally or to a particular one person. So geographically I have to think, then only my content it should be in a language or other things I have to decide. And in what medium I am going to promote. Whether I'm going to promote to print, broadcast, radio, TV, mail, digital advertising, Facebook, Instagram, what is the medium I'm going to choose? Based on the medium, I have to design the ad. Why? What is the purpose? Whether it is for selling a product, whether it is for selling a service, whether it is for objective is profitability, or from other non-commercial thing. Non-commercial means increasing a market share, building a brand equity. Straight away, we are not going for profitability, but other objectives. What is the action you are expecting from the consumer? Just to get the awareness? Just to get attracted? Just to buy the product? Or they have to give the positive word of mouth communication to others. What is the action you are expecting from the target audience? So based on the 4 things, we can classify advertisements. Another thing, we can advertise the people within the home. It's called as indoor advertising. If the people are outside we want to reach, we have to go for outdoor advertising. In both the things, we can classify as a printed advertising and non-printed advertising. In non-printed advertising, we can go for a broadcasting, we can go for transit, we can go for specialty. So as of now, we are thinking advertising means only in a social media or in a TV or in a newspaper, but advertising types are huge and huge and huge. We should adopt a different types of advertising strategy. One advertising tab will add others. For example, you are giving a TV ad, your social media advertising will add value to that ad. If you are giving advertising, you are putting a display, that is an advertisement in a retail store, that add value. If you're putting an advertisement in the radio, that add value to the promotion what you are giving in the retail. So advertising is not a separate thing. Advertising can capitalize the benefit of another advertising. The advertising can capitalize the benefit of a promotion. So you should have a large number of types of options to promote. But you have to remember, even you are using a different types of media, different types of things, your core objective, your core logo, your core tagline should be the same. Based on the availability, you can change. So that is the exercise we did. We have 1 page. We have 30 seconds to speak. We have 10 lines to say. We have half page or quarter page to present. And finally, we have stamp. That means that the availability of media will differ based on the cost, based on the audience, based on the availability, based on the timing. You should be prepared. But what is your objective? It is to sell. You means everywhere it is a selling. The same way if you're going to brand means whatever the media you are adopting, the concept should be the same. Okay. So the next class and in your WhatsApp discussions, we will be focusing on various types of advertising available. What is the advantage of each advertising? What is the disadvantage of each advertising? If you are given with the product, which media, which type you will choose. Okay, that is the thing we are going to brainstorm in the future classes, and we will be working on with a case study later how the women are utilized in the advertising and how the children are exploited or utilized in the advertising. There we will have a group discussion or where will we have a debate. Okay, ready for that? But for the next class, you should be ready with different types of advertising. So now please all of you switch on your videos. Okay, thank you for the time.